In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Mastery Emote League of Legends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to get Mastery Emotes in League of Legends, you will have to progress the Mastery with specific champions. So to check the champion mastery that you currently have, go over to your collection. So choose the little bag icon on the top of the screen, go over to your collection, choose champions, and select the specific champion that you would like to check the mastery for. Once this is done, you will see 5 main tabs: Overview, Abilities, Mastery, Eternals, and Skins. Just go over to the Mastery tab, and inside of Mastery, you will now be able to see the current progress that you have made with a specific champion. So, once you go over to that specific champion's mastery, you will be able to see the current level. In there, you will have to reach a certain amount of points that you can earn by just playing standard game modes or even featured game modes, and also the marks of mastery that you have to earn. You will be able to earn specific grades like B, C, S, A, and so on to earn rewards, and these rewards are going to reset every single split. So you will be able to see your progress here, but to actually use the emote, all that you have to do after you reach a certain level, usually level 4, is to press Ctrl+6 inside of the game. By pressing Ctrl+6, you will see the emote appear above your head. If Ctrl+6 does not work, it could indicate that your mastery level is too low to them to show it off in-game, or alternatively, you might not have the keybind set. So if you go over to the settings and you choose keybinds, you will be able to customize the mastery keybind, and as long as you change it there, you will be able to use a certain button combination to display it. But like I said, by default, it is going to be Ctrl+6. Immediately upon pressing it inside of the game, you will see the mastery go off, and everyone else will see it as an emote. You will be able to highlight this as well after you progress it enough and you get a bunch of the rewards. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Mastery Emote League of Legends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.